Hey guys, in this video we're going to be checking out the top 5 best glues for ceramic that are available on the market for their true quality. Be sure to check out the product links in the description below. So, let's get started with the video. At number 5, we have the Nair ceramic glue. This adhesive boasts an impressive instant bonding capability, claiming to bond ceramic, glass, and even plastic in mere seconds. Its unique nozzle design ensures precise and easy application, making it ideal for intricate repairs or DIY crafts. Additionally, Nair ceramic glue offers versatility. It's compatible with a wide range of materials like wood, metal, and rubber, making it a solid all-purpose choice. However, while the nozzle design is user-friendly, the glue's performance can vary depending on the surface texture. For smoother ceramics, it works exceptionally well, but on rough or uneven surfaces, users may experience weaker adhesion. Another downside is the lack of detailed product specifications regarding weather resistance and durability, which could be an important consideration for outdoor repairs. That said, Nair excels in ease of use, making it perfect for beginners or smaller projects. Overall, Nair ceramic glue is a good option for those looking for an affordable, easy-to-use adhesive for light-duty repairs or craft projects. While it may not offer the industrial-strength bonding found in higher-end products, its versatility and application precision make it worth considering for everyday fixes. Coming in at number 4 is the Muvcal Ceramic Glue Repair Kit. This product stands out for its superior bond strength, which is tailored for ceramic and porcelain repairs. With a transparent and odorless formula, it's eco-friendly and safe to use on household items like mugs, figurines, and teapots. The precision tip design allows for controlled application, ensuring minimal mess and waste. In terms of performance, the Muvcal glue sets quickly, achieving a solid bond within 10 to 45 seconds, which is ideal for fast fixes. Its waterproof nature is a major plus for repairing kitchen or bathroom items, and it holds up well under daily use. However, the product lacks additional accessories such as specialized nozzles, which might limit its versatility for more intricate projects. While advertised as odorless, some users reported a faint chemical smell during application, which may affect those with sensitivities. Muvcal ceramic glue is a reliable option for durable repairs on household ceramics. It's perfect for users seeking a strong adhesive for frequently used items. While it may not come with extras like customizable nozzles, its fast-curing and eco-friendly formula make it an excellent mid-range choice. At number 2, we have the Vigorder Ceramic Glue Repair Kit. This product shines with its strong adhesion tailored specifically for delicate materials like porcelain and ceramic. It's water-resistant and heat-resistant, making it ideal for repairs in bathrooms, kitchens, or outdoor environments. Impressively, the glue sets within 15 to 30 seconds, ensuring quick and efficient fixes. Additionally, its food-safe certification is a standout feature, making it a safe choice for repairing mugs, dishes, or any item that comes into contact with food. Design-wise, Vigorder includes a transparent formula that doesn't turn white after drying, maintaining a clean and professional finish. Its compatibility with multiple materials like glass and plastic adds versatility to its use. However, its bottle lacks advanced dispensing tools, which might make application slightly less precise compared to other products with specialized nozzles. While the glue performs well under harsh conditions, it may not be as strong for heavy-duty repairs on larger or heavily damaged items. Overall, Vigorder ceramic glue is perfect for users who prioritize safety and durability in everyday repairs. Its quick curing time and resistance to water and heat make it a top contender for kitchen and bathroom items. While it could benefit from more precise application tools, its food-safe certification and strong adhesion make it a compelling choice for household fixes. And finally, taking the top spot at number 1 is the Wausto Ceramic Superglue. This product is truly in a league of its own, offering professional-grade ceramic bonding that creates unbreakable seals on notoriously difficult-to-repair materials like pottery and dishes. With a lightning-fast set time of 10 to 45 seconds and full curing within 24 hours, it's ideal for quick fixes and long-lasting results. Its 100% waterproof and weather-resistant formula makes it perfect for both indoor and outdoor use, holding up against temperature extremes from -40 degrees Fahrenheit to 240 degrees Fahrenheit. What sets Wowsto apart is its precision-focused design. The kit comes with two 30-gram bottles and 6 specialized nozzles, allowing flawless application even on intricate repairs. Beyond ceramics, it works on materials like glass, metal, and wood, making it an all-purpose solution for household and DIY projects. The leak-proof packaging also ensures that your product arrives in perfect condition, ready for use. However, the high performance of this glue might make it slightly more expensive than other options, though the price isn't listed here. Wowsto Ceramic Superglue is the ultimate choice for users who demand professional-grade performance and versatility. Whether you're repairing delicate figurines or tackling outdoor tiles, this product delivers unmatched strength and precision. If you want the best ceramic glue on the market, Wowsto is the clear winner. Thanks for watching, guys. I hope you liked this video. If this video was helpful to you, please make sure to like, comment, and subscribe. If you have any questions related to these products, you can leave a comment down below. I will get back to you as soon as possible.